man who should be hospitalized rather than jailed. That's how the defense team described Oscar Pistorius. Johan Scholz, a psychologist, says he's not fit even to testify.
Since the offence, he has developed a serious psychiatric condition which has become worse over the past 2 years.
Pistorius shot his girlfriend, Riva Steenkamp, in 2013. At the time, he said he mistook her for an intruder and shot 4 times through the door of the bathroom where she was hiding. Chief Prosecutor Gerinel disputes that Pistorius is too traumatized to testify. Pistorius, he said, just recently gave an interview to British TV. Nel also said state experts found Pistorius was aggressive in prison, something the defense witness had not mentioned.
Why did you not include his aggressive and verbally violent interaction towards officials? Why did you not mention that in your report? That's my question. Are you saying it never happened?
It is possible that it happened. I accept that if she says it, that it happened.
But why did you not tell this court about that?
Because I deem it to be very unscientific.
Pistorius looked dazed, as he did for much of his trial. The prosecuting authority is determined to push for the maximum sentence, 15 years.
We will argue for the imposition of the harshest possible sentence ever that is prescribed by law, but it is not within us to impose the sentences. It is in the discretion of the presiding officer. We accept that if he finds that there are compelling and substantial circumstances to deviate from the prescribed minimum sentence, she can deviate.
Sentencing is due to run through the week, with more witnesses for the defense and the prosecution before the judge hands down her decision. Riva Steenkamp's father is expected to testify for the first time in this trial. Barry Steenkamp was previously too unwell to even attend the proceedings. He's now expected to plead with the court to ensure that Oscar Pistorius receives a harsh sentence. Yolisa, Njamela, CCTV in Pretoria.